Mom Sharon, thank you for the warm introduction, and of course to everybody else. Good afternoon. 안녕하세요. 잘 지내십니까? 잘 지내세요. Mahayong hapon sa aton nga tanan, Negros Occidental High School. To our distinguished guests from our school's division, Ma'am Salas, to my dearest principal, Dr. Cheryl Tondo. Of a note, Ma'am Cheryl was my research teacher in sophomore high school. Grabe ni siya, wala. Hindi pwede ang excuse letter sa iya. Dapat dobrahon mo yung mga homework bago ka makagawa, kaya wala excuse. Di ba? And then after that, she turned to be my investigatory advisor for a research project. And then she turned to be the science department head. And now look at her. She's back in NOHS as the school principal. Diba? Diba? Of course, to our assistant principals, ang aton nga mga department heads, and a quick note, halos tanan ng mga department heads naging teacher namon during our time. So sina Ma'am Reyes, Ma'am Sotosinal, Ma'am Patislaon, sila ni Sir Arabia, kag sila ni Ma'am Tableso, and the others nga ari man this stage naman. So in terms of time, di ba, ang mga teachers nimo sa year level subang mga heads na after 20 years. Yeah, di ba? That's so cool. And then of course, let's not forget our non-teaching staff, the security personnel, the administration, and most importantly, to the 1,386 graduating students of class 2026. Sa amon nga Chimbuya, tayo lang tong trucks. Subong niya daw 9 or 8 kamo kabilog, di ba? Accountancy and business management, humanities and social sciences, STEM, automotive, caregiving, computer systems, contact center, home economics, and alternative learning system. So very cool nga kada mo options as a high school student. And later on, you will use once you leave the campus of NOHS. I promise you guys are all tired. I will try to make the speech shorter than your longest class in NOHS. Okay lang? Today is a milestone. For graduates, it marks the ends of mga exam. Cramming nyo, di ba? Long quizzes ninyo, projects, kita mo, extracurricular activities. Pero for our guardians and parents sa inyong left and right side, di ba? This is the last time nga siguro sa aga, ginhambalan pa kamo, dahil bugtaw na dakay daw tuna, malik na sa imo graduation. Or, to, gintapos mo na yung work bago ka maglagaw-lagaw, ha? And most importantly, sige mo na hapon na ang cellphone mo, may exam ka na pala, boss. Diba? Those are the prime reminders ng aton yung mga guardians and parents. So, graduates, you just did not receive your diploma, your finer card, your personal photo, your group photo, but that is the achievement you had since grade 7 and the grade 12. Now, you will be stepping into a future where you make your little decisions bigger and greater than yourself. Leaders like you, kamutanan, you will have opportunities to do that. And this reminds us with our theme this year, the Filipino graduates are prepared to lead with competence and character, not just locally, but in the global stage. So competence is having the knowledge and skills for you to succeed. And we believe this alma mater has provided you throughout the years. While importantly, character is also important. This is the values that you will take after leaving this institution. And we believe that the communities need both competence and character. So fun fact lang, did you know na mid-20s pa bago ma-develop ang brain natin? Diba? Which means this is very important that we will shape your character and competence. Kung ano ka mo subong, hindi pa siya ang final version sang inyo nga kaugalingon. I say again, the person you are today is a work in progress, not the final version of you. So your future will be defined by the small choices that you make. And this will be made every day. So tonight, almost tonight, I will share these 4 quick letters that all you know that I want to share you to bring it to your life. N-O-H-S. Di ba? Mga sila ha? So N. Nourish your mind, your body, and your soul. Sa una, ano lang na toon, grades, extracurricular activities, pero subong dapat ang inyong nourishment, the battery sa cellphone nyo, dapat naka-charge pirme. Kaya kung mawalaan ka mo charge, wala pang TikTok, wala pang Instagram Reel, kag wala pang Facebook Live, di ba? So you cannot give the world if you're running on empty. You must take care of yourself first. So nourish your mind. For me, I found myself learning continuously. So reading books or listening to podcasts sa mga audiophile nila. So for me, what reminds me is self-development books, savings and investment, especially sa mga track sa inyo nga basta may mga part-time job na after graduation. So learn those. And of course, traveling. For me, it's also learning a new language. Kaya kung magawa ka mo sa ibang mga lugar, it's easier to talk to the locals if you know their local language, di ba? So, in my personal experience, instead na ga-post ko online in social media or ga-scroll sa akon, I did scroll e-books and ga-post sa virtual blog post, and then after 6 years till I was working, turned out, I just earned my master's degree. Diba, same concept, scroll, comment, but now you have experience and diploma to move on. And nourish your body. Find something that keeps you active. Ang iban sa inyo, gadlagan, gazumba, kagalibahan ka saot-saot through TikTok, di ba? Oh. For myself, I find running and hiking as very regenerative. Though kanami, magid kong magpapawis ka, di ba? And lastly, nourish your soul. Find something that's very meditative. Yoga, walking, para makamuni-muni ka sa imong life. Kaya kung makamuni-muni ka, okay good, di ba? So if you take care of your mind, your body, and your soul, you have that energy and clarity to be confident and competent. Ano na ang next nga letter? O. Open the doors of possibilities and opportunities. Anda mo sa aton, let's wait for the perfect time. Wala perfect time. Dapat subong na. Diba? Open the doors of possibilities is as uncertainty. Wala kasiguraduhan. Dapat ikaw mismo ang mag-abre sa pertahan kung magsugod sa unang tapak or lapak. Lapak? Okay. So let me share a few experience of mine. I saw myself sitting in a room with a group of people, diba? Across from me were diplomats, senior leaders, interagency, interorganizational leaders, making decisions in behalf of the communities. And I remember, nagambang ko sa self ko, basta hindi ko diya wala na belong. I don't think I belong here, di ba? Pero it takes pursuing that college courage to do that. I think what part of it is my experience in the journalism through the Ang Aninag and the Flow Factor that prepared me to the situations throughout that time. Ma-fail ta? Yes, of course, but we will also succeed. Oh, ano nang next nga letter? H. H. Hear the stories of others. Diba? Not just to gather facts, but to make connection. It is not what you say that stays with people. It's how you make them feel. Malinta, mo gidya mga ginabas ang tao, pero ginapabatsyag mo nga ka-warm ka, charisma ka, that's your identity as a person later on, moving forward. So listening to diverse opinions, diverse cultures, and experiences. So when you understand the point of view of the other people, it's good. Because mabalaan mo nga, biskanda mo kamo differences, you could link with the similarities that both of you or different organizations have the same. And ang last nga letter, S. See the world. So go beyond what's familiar. No, kabalo ko siya dyan, pika mo, pero sino nagambal, pika mo ka pwede kadto sa Manukan, sa Lagoon, bagong aruta sa inyong barangay. Mga pika mo sa higad-higad, yes, new experience na, di ba? So when you do these experiences, make sure it's not from the lens of other people. Kamu man mismo ang maubra sa personal experience nyo, kag-share nyo sa iba, yung mga loved ones ninyo. So there was a time when I think I was falling behind, di ba? So I thought I will be ending up in TV station or sa newspaper. Pero there was a time that I have to pivot. I end up serving in the defense sector, just like my grandfather and my other immediate family members. So it's okay over time to pivot. It's okay to change plans as long as you know you continue. And that is growing for your character and competence. Diba? Oh, before ko mag-end, sa inyong mga pulungkuan, may 1/4 sheet of intermediate paper. Tanawan nyo. Joking aside lang. Final. Pero ma-final exam ta anay ha? Kay bago ka mo papulion, madulungan kita, magamba ko sa kada letter sa acronym, isigaw nyo kung ano ang meaning sa kada letra, if you remember, right? So, let's do it together. And nourish your mind, body, and soul. Next. O. Ay, attentive. H. Hear the stories of others. And finally, S. Ay, ma'am, graduate na gid sila yan. Pwede na gid, oh. Attentive ka mo, ha? So those boys, that's confidence in unison. And those confidence, that's a sign of leadership. And ka muna. Kaya isa pa ha, before ta ka mo i-let go, tulong ka mo pangitaan nyo ang mga kasuksok, pula, maroon, nga naka-Filipinyana kagbarong. Hindi na sila. Pangitaan nyo. Diba? Kita nyo na sila? Sila ni ang inyong mga teachers, mentors, advisors, coaches. Kung kisa, sila pa ni ang inyo yaya. Kung mag-RSPC ka mo, mag-sports events ka mo out of town, kung kisa, sila pa ang nurse at doktor kaya may sakit sa tiyan. kay wala ka mo nakakaon. These are the people who stood behind you on your hardest days, on your busiest nights, and the moments you wanted to give up. This time, tulukan nyo ang inyong wala kang tuo. Sino ni sila? These are your classmates, your friends, your groupmates in the last few years. These are the people that walked with your journey. So if you're beside them, give them a hug, a pat on the back, a fist bump, or a shaka aloha. Alright. And then, finally, tulukan nyo ang mga pulukoan nga color puti sa pinakawala kang pinakatuon ninyo. Sino ni sila? Yeah, those are your families, your supporters, your loved ones that believed in you since day one. If you may, one more time, with your biggest smiles, the loudest cheers and clap, please tell them, salamat, madamo ka salamat. To the parents. Thank you. So, di ba nga ba ko sa inyo kanina, this is only your beginning. Kahit ka-develop, daan mo naging storyan, kanina. So that's why you understand why we continue to choose the small choices so that we will be somewhere bigger and better. And now you are stepping into a responsibility. So continue the momentum and lead with competence and character. Tatak Provincial, always innovation. Congratulations, NOHS class of 2026. Maayong adlaw. Thank you.